Doctor, let me send you a quick little video here. What are these applications exactly, and what would the proxy be? Okay, when you have just a MagnusBilling, like in this case here, look, let's see if I can draw something here. Look, when you have only the MagnusBilling, your client sends a call to MagnusBilling. MagnusBilling has the database within itself, and then MagnusBilling sends calls to your trunks. Okay, when you add slaves, you will be able to do the balancing. What is this? Both your master and the slaves, look, they send calls to your trunks. Okay, so to start the process, Zomai, you will need to take your trunks and allow the IPs of the no of the slaves, okay? Because not only MagnusBilling will send calls to them, the slaves will too, okay? So allow those IPs, okay? And then what will happen? If you don't have the proxy, what will you be able to do? You will be able to manually have your clients send calls to MagnusBilling, others send to slave 1, others to slave 2, and others to slave 3. That is manually, okay? If you do not want to do it manually, then you have to put a proxy in front, which is a server, okay? This proxy does not charge anything, neither monthly nor for installing it for you, okay? In this case, see here, by putting the proxy, it will work like the image here. Look, except your client will send a call to the proxy will have an IP, okay? So all the calls your client sends will go to the proxy. Then the proxy will automatically balance one call to the master, one to the slave, and so on, and then it returns according to what you configure here in this menu now. Servers C, this one is slave 2 and this one is slave 3, okay? In this option here, the proxy will balance for all users, all IPs of the type MBilling asterisk that have active status here, active, and the weight is greater than 1. What is this weight? Nah? Essas Deus seus amados seu. If you leave everything as 1, like it is here, the proxy will do exactly that, what I showed you here in the image. Look, it sends a call here, send one here, one here, one here, one here. If you, for example, take and put on one of the slaves, for example, slave 1, and put 2, what will happen? This will happen, look. It will send one to the master, another to the slave, another to the same slave, one here and another here. Then it goes back here, the same thing, one here, 2 more here, one here and one here, okay? This is often used, for example, when you have several slaves, then you can, for example, remove the weight from the master. This way, the master no longer processes calls, only the slaves, okay? I believe you got it, right? Best regards.